I want to change my life this year, but I don't know how.
First, you need to set a goal. Aw, Jack, this is such a beautiful moment.
Yeah, it really is. Set a goal means to decide something you want to achieve in the future.
And it can be anything, guys, big or small. Learn English, run a marathon, save money.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Hi guys, we're so happy to see you again.
Today, we have something really useful for you. We're going to learn a lot of common English collocations.
Yes, these are words that go together naturally in English. Native speakers use them every day.
And of course, we'll practice them with short dialogues. You'll listen, and then you'll shadow with us.
So get ready, open your ears, and let's start. What does your brother do these days?
He runs a business in our town. It's a small bakery.
Aw, that's so sweet. Run a business means to own and manage a business, right, Jack?
Exactly, Sarah. It's not just working there. You are the boss. You make the decisions.
And it's hard work, guys. Running a business means long hours and a lot of stress.
But also a lot of pride. When it's your business, every success feels personal. Okay, everyone, listen and repeat with us.
I heard your sister opened a flower shop.
Yes, she's so happy. It's her dream to run a business. Nice. Let's move on to the next one.
Ugh, I'm so tired. My eyes are closing.
You worked all morning. Go and take a nap. Oh, I love naps. Sarah, do you take naps?
All the time, Jack, especially on Sundays. A short nap makes me feel like a new person.
Same here. Take a nap means to sleep for a short time, usually during the day.
It's not a full night of sleep, just 20 or 30 minutes to feel fresh again. Hey guys, this one is super common. Try using it. Go to the comments and write a sentence with take a nap. For example, I want to take a nap after lunch. We want to read your sentences. Your turn. Say the lines with us.
I'm so sleepy after lunch.
Go to the sofa. Take a nap for 20 minutes. Great! Ready for the next one?
You've been studying for 3 hours. Let's take a break.
Good idea. My head hurts a little.
Oh, this is so important, guys. Don't forget to take breaks.
Yeah, Sarah's right. When you work or study too long, your brain gets tired.
Take a break means to stop for a short time and rest. Then you come back stronger.
Even 10 minutes can help. Drink some water, walk a little, and you feel better.
Okay, this phrase is everywhere in English. Write a sentence with it in the comments. We'll check them out.
Now try to say it with us. Let's go.
I'm so stressed with this project.
Hey, you need to take a break.
Well done. Let's keep going, guys. Why are you so nervous about tomorrow?
I have to take a test at school. Oh no, tests are stressful. I remember my school days.
Me too, Jack. But take a test just means you sit down and do the test.
Right. It doesn't mean you pass it or fail it, you just do it.
And remember, guys, don't be afraid of tests. You study, you try your best, that's enough. All right, one more dialogue. This time, try to speak with us.
Where is Emma today?
She went to the university. She had to take a test.
Awesome. Next one, guys.
I broke my sister's favorite cup. I want to tell the truth.
That's brave of you. She'll understand.
Aw, Jack, this scene makes me emotional. It's not easy to tell the truth when you're scared.
You're right, Sarah. Tell the truth means to say what really happened without hiding anything.
It takes courage, guys. Sometimes the truth is hard, but it's always the right choice.
And people trust you more when you tell the truth. That's a beautiful thing. Guys, you'll use this one every day. Go to the comments and practice. Write your own sentence with "tell the truth." For example, I always try to tell the truth to my friends.
Shadow time. Repeat everything you hear. Did you eat my cake?
Okay, I'll tell the truth. It was me.
Nice job. One more coming up. Why are you so quiet today?
I feel bad. I told my friend I was busy, but I wasn't. I shouldn't tell a lie. Oh, this one hits the heart, Sarah.
Yeah, tell a lie means to say something that is not true.
And even small lies can hurt people, right, everyone?
Exactly. When you tell a lie, you feel bad inside. It's better to be honest, even when it's hard.
Now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us. Don't be shy. Say it out loud.
Did you really like my cooking?
I don't want to tell a lie. It was a little salty.
Great! Ready for the next one?
Something smells amazing. Are you going to make dinner tonight?
Yes, I'm making pasta.
I love this topic, Sarah. Food.
Me too, Jack. Make dinner simply means to prepare the evening meal at home.
It's such a warm thing. Cooking for your family, for someone you love.
Yes, and it doesn't have to be fancy. Even a simple pasta is beautiful when you make it with love.
Okay, everyone, listen and repeat with us. Come on, you can do it. I'm so hungry.
Wait 10 minutes. I'm going to make dinner.
Nice job. One more coming up.
The waiter is coming. Are you ready?
Yes, this time let me pay the bill.
Aw, that's so nice, Jack. When a friend pays for you, it feels really special.
Totally, Sarah. Pay the bill means to give money for something you ordered, like in a restaurant or cafe.
And sometimes friends fight about it, right? Everyone wants to pay.
Yes, it's a small thing, but it shows love and respect. Okay, now listen and repeat with us.
Dinner was amazing. Let's split it.
No, it's your birthday, so I'll pay the bill.
Nice. Let's move on to the next one. You look so stressed. What's wrong?
I have to meet a deadline by Friday. Oh, this feeling is the worst, Sarah.
I know, Jack. Meet a deadline means to finish your work before the time is up.
And it's not just about work. Students have deadlines too. Projects, essays, exams.
Yeah, and when you meet a deadline, you feel so proud. All that stress becomes relief.
Your turn. Say the lines with us.
Why are you working so late?
I'm trying to meet a deadline for my boss.
Great. Ready for the next one?
Thanks for the wonderful dinner.
You're welcome. Can you help me do the dishes? The dishes? Nobody loves this job, right, Jack?
Nope. But do the dishes just means to wash the plates, glasses, and forks after a meal.
And when someone helps you do the dishes, it means a lot. It's such a kind thing.
Exactly. Small, kind actions make a home feel warm. Okay, this phrase is everywhere in English. Write a sentence with it in the comments. We'll check them out. Now try to say it with us. Let's go.
The kitchen is a mess.
Don't worry, I'll do the dishes. Well done. Let's keep going, guys.
What are your plans for Sunday?
Nothing special. I need to do the laundry.
Sundays are laundry days for many people, right, Sarah?
Yes, Jack. Do the laundry means to wash your dirty clothes.
It's a boring job, but there's something nice about clean, fresh clothes.
Oh, I love that smell. Clean clothes just make you feel better, guys. Shadow time. Repeat everything you hear.
I don't have any clean shirts.
Then maybe it's time to do the laundry.
Awesome. Next one, guys.
Don't know what to do. I'm so confused.
Come, sit down. Let me give you some advice.
Aw, this one is so warm, Jack.
Yeah, Sarah. Give advice means to tell someone what you think they should do.
And good advice from a friend or family member can change your life.
Right. But remember, guys, good advice comes from the heart, not from judgment. Now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us. Don't be shy. Say it out loud.
Should I take this job or not?
I can give you some advice if you want.
Nice job. One more coming up.
Oh, what's in the box? It looks so pretty.
It's for you. I wanted to give you a gift. Oh, I love gifts, Sarah. Both giving and getting.
Me too, Jack. Give a gift means to give something special to someone, often for their birthday or a holiday.
But honestly, the best gifts come for no reason at all, just because you care.
So true. A small gift can make someone's whole day brighter. All right, one more dialogue. This time, try to speak with us.
It's my mom's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, are you going to give her a gift? Great. Ready for the next one? Shh. The movie is starting.
Sorry, I'll keep quiet.
This one is useful in so many situations, right, Jack?
Definitely, Sarah. Keep quiet means to stop talking or making noise.
In movies, in libraries, in meetings, sometimes silence is just the best thing.
And it's also a sign of respect. When we keep quiet, we let others focus or rest.
Yes, just listen and follow along. You can do it.
The baby finally fell asleep.
Oh, then we should keep quiet.
Nice. Let's move on to the next one.
I want to change my life this year, but I don't know how.
First, you need to set a goal. Aw, Jack, this is such a beautiful moment.
Yeah, it really is. Set a goal means to decide something you want to achieve in the future.
And it can be anything, guys, big or small. Learn English, run a marathon, save money.
Right. Without a goal, life feels empty. But with a goal, every day has meaning. Okay, now listen and repeat with us.
I want to speak English better.
Great. Then set a goal and practice every day.
Amazing job, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.